Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom. So I was about to do my eyebrows. I always do it in my bathroom, so I thought, you know what, I've never done this video before. I got asked many times how I did my eyebrows, so here we are. What I'm using, and I've been using for years now to do my brows, is the Eylure London dye brow, and I always use the color black rather than dark brown. I just don't use it too long so it doesn't look like super harsh, and it matches my natural hair color. I've been using this for a very long time. It's cruelty-free product and vegan friendly. What you get is these two creams that you need to mix, and then like a little spoolie. Don't really particularly love a spoolie, but it's kind of good for applying the product, so I think this is the main idea. What I always do first, I brush my brows. So I'm using the Beauty Brow Lash Spoolie. So I always brush to the place my brows how I want this to be. As you can see, I'm gonna brush my lashes too, because I'm gonna use the same brow tint. I know it's a brow, it's not lash tint, to do my lashes as well, because I've been doing this for years. If you are too scared to do your lashes, completely skip that. Plus, always do a patch test, like at least 24 hours before you use any dye, whatever it's eyebrow dye or your hair dye, just prevent any allergic reactions. I'm gonna start from mixing the colors. You see it's dirty because I'm mixing exactly in this like a little container part, if you can say so. So always start from the color and then the activated cream. And then I'm just using this like a little spoolie. It's very hard. It has a little bristles, but it's not really a spoolie, well, in my opinion. So I just use this to mix this two creams together, because it needs to be properly mixed prior applying on. And actually with this new formula, because before it was cream and liquid that you mix together, the color doesn't appear straight away, like it takes a second to appear on. So as you see, I'm just using the same as like harder spoolie that is provided to apply this. Just brushing this on my actual brow here. I'm gonna get any on my skin. I'm just gonna clean this off with a Q-tip. Do the same on this side, on this eyebrow, and then I'm gonna do the middle, the inner part, how you call this. And as you see, the dye keeps getting darker, like it's getting activated once it's on the skin. It's not dark straight away, as you can see. Hope you can see this. I usually keep for like 2 minutes maximum. I don't keep this longer. So while it's still on my brows, what I do, I just go and on my lashes. Kinda like I would go with a mascara, but I concentrate more on the tips rather than super close to the eye. And once I do the lashes, I clean it off my brows, because I don't keep it longer than 2 minutes, as I said, because otherwise it's a little bit too intense. If I get a little bit on my skin like I got now, I'm going with a Q-tip and just wipe it off. The eyebrows are definitely ready, so what I'm doing, I'm just taking the cotton pads and I'm just gonna wipe this off. Whoop. It looks a bit matte at first, but trust the process. First I'm going with a dry cotton pad, and then I'm gonna go with a wet one. I'm going with a wet one. Okay, let's remove that dye from the tint, brow tint thing from the lashes. So once again, going with a dry one first. And then I'm going with a wet one, just step up close. Brushing lashes. actually done. What do you guys think? Do you tint your own brows at home and lashes or lashes? I think a lot of people don't tint their own lashes at home because it's trickier and it might get to the eyes and you know it's too close to the eyes. So if you don't feel comfortable with that, I would highly recommend not to do so. But brows is pretty easy. They say it lasts around 6 weeks. I would say for me it lasts maybe 3-4 weeks. I wouldn't say it lasts 6 weeks to me, but I guess we are all different, right? Yeah, what do you guys think? Have you tried this? Do you do your own brows at home or you go and get it done professionally? As I mentioned, I've been doing my brows like this for as long as I can remember. I've been using the same product for forever now. Yeah, what do you think? Was this video helpful? Should I do more similar videos like this just from my daily routines? Because as I mentioned, I was about to do my brows and then I thought, why not to show you how I do it, because I've never done it before. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more, and I shall see you very, very soon. So thanks so much for watching, bye! Have a great day, guys. Ciao for now!